and we know the favourite for the Australian Open is no longer playing. Welcome back to another one of my videos, everybody. It's Lauren here at Just Believe. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year. I know it's been a while since my last video, but I will tell you all about what I've been doing in a short while. But we want to get back to it today. We're going to be looking to the Australian Open with our tennis trading. And, you know, if you've been with me for a short time, you know, from the back end of the year to this year, you'll know that it's all about tennis trading strategies. So here are my best trading strategies for 2022. Back the favourite, and lay the first set winner if it's the underdog. So moving on to back the favourite. Head to the description box down below, guys, for more videos on back the favourite. For those of you who have been with me since the beginning of my channel, you'll know what that is, and for those of you who are new, as I say, there's there's a back catalogue for you for back the favourite, and that goes for lay the favourite as well. Specifically for today's video, we are going to be looking at lay the first set winner if it's the underdog.
This is her first major final. She's not found herself in any of these positions before.
So here in the Australian Open final, we've got Ashley Barty taking the first set against the underdog, Danielle Collins. And what we're doing, as you can see, is we're laying Barty, meaning that we think Collins is going to take the lead. There's a couple of reasons why we're doing this. I don't have enough time to cover all of that in today's video. But if you do want, if you do want more information on that, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get the updates when the next video comes out. Essentially, as you can see, Danielle Collins has held her serve and she's break point up on Barty's serve, and that's meaning that she is now making us in profit because she's leading. She's doing what we expected her to do. Barty's not winning at the moment, and so we're in profit. And that's the purpose of laying the first set winner if it's the underdog.
This is Collins' chance.
As you can see by the screen, she takes the game, moves ahead. Well done, girl.
And a trademark celebration from Collins as well.
That was fantastic.
And so here you can see I'm removing some of my liability. And again, guys, I will go in more depth as more videos come out as to exactly how I have traded myself into this position. Because it's, there's so many different ways, as I'm sure you all know, about how you can get into position and how you can manage your position. It's 5-1 and I'm at a crossroads. How many of you have felt that you're at a crossroads in your trading journey? So Barty's got break point.
In the crowd, there are a few more for Collins, but they are getting drowned out.
Is she on the way back?
Barty trying to rescue the situation. with 5-1 down in the set to 4 championship points. Is the 44-year wait over?
Thank you.
How many of you have felt like this before? How many of you felt like this in that final? It was a losing trade. And to be honest, I had many instances of this in that Australian Open and the tournaments around it before and after. And so what I said to myself was I needed to go away. I needed to think about what was happening here. What was going on with my psychology? Why was I not taking the money when it was there? You know, did I not know my exit point? You know, so I took some time. I thought about it all, wrote it down, and decided I needed to do a big reset. And that's basically what I've done. I've reset and I've restarted, and here I am back again with my refined tennis trading strategies. And guys, the reason why I've come on to do this video is because I want to share it with you, because I know that there's a lot of people out there that has felt exactly as I have and still do feel like I do. So if you want to be part of the journey, if you want to be part of the community, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let more people know about it, join on the journey as we start to see through consistency and dedication. We'll go from being inconsistent with sporadic results to consistent with upward moving results. So guys, once again, you know what to do. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'll see you on the next one.